Hello students, this is Miss Kenny here, going to explain to you, and all excited for the 2022 Nutmeg Book Awards and the nominees we have. They'll be released soon. Now, I made this interactive flyer or card, and I just thought you could use a little help on how to use it. It's basically like this. Each book has a link on it, this green eye, and if you click on any of these, it is then going to move to that specific book's card or page, and then you've got a handful of icons here you can click on. They should be pulsing. Some of the book covers are very busy and they're hard to see, but hopefully you'll find them. The eye is basically the summary. It's like the back of the book. If you click on the multicolored book here, it's going to give you a Google Books preview, which has some of the pages in it, so you can preview a little bit of it. If you wanted to learn more about it, there's a more about this book, and then that would open a new window. This won't be the whole book, but there's usually enough pages there to get you sort of started and see if it's something you're interested in or not. If there's a YouTube icon, that means there is a book trailer or a commercial that you can watch about it. And that's the library's logo, and this has a preview of sort of what it would look like in our catalog, but to do that you're actually going to have to search our catalog, and you can see, by doing that, you'll see whether the book is in or out, if we have more than one copy, or audiobooks or anything, you might be able to find them in here as well. Speaking of audiobooks, we do now have Sora, which is an app for ebooks and audiobooks. Not all of the books that are nominated this year have ebooks or audiobooks that are available to us, but whatever I can get, I will link here. Just a Sora app, and it should pull. So here you can get the reading, the novel, or you can get the audiobook if you'd rather listen. And it's pretty easy. You sign in. There's a sign-in link. I think I'm already signed in, but if you go to log in to borrow it, if you go to borrow it, it'll ask you to sign in, and you can click on the button that would say like sign in with my Gmail and use your school account. Fairly easy. And what else do we have? Alright, if you wanted to know if the Bristol Public Library happened to have a version of it or not, this should take you to their catalog and all of their possible ways to get it, whether they have the books or the audiobook, or the ebook. And don't forget, the public library is a great resource. And finally, this one's sort of camouflaged because it's the same color as the background, but many of the books, if you're not sure you want the audiobook, a lot of them have SoundCloud previews. So I'm sure you know how to use SoundCloud, but that's embedded in here as well. And you can click on this to get a bit of a preview of what the audiobook sounds like. All right. If you have any questions, and you want to go back, you click on home, you're like, I don't want to read that one, so then maybe you're going to check on another one of these. Same thing, click on the flashing green eye. If you have any questions, if there's something you can't log into, or anything you need help with at all, feel free to contact me in the library. And I hope you guys all have a wonderful summer and enjoy some of these terrific books. Thanks very much. Bye-bye!